It's likely for your essay, your persuasive essay, that you're going to need to get ideas and perhaps facts and statements and examples from areas that are outside your knowledge base. So, what you do in that situation is you go to the website, the Lone Star website, and go to the libraries and go to research databases. And here you will see any number of databases that you can search and find information that you might need. If you were looking for something government related, you might want to click on that database. If you were looking for something about health or history, you would choose those databases. One of the most used databases is this one, Education and Careers. And within that database category, there is the Chronicle of Higher Education Online, which, since we are in higher education, this is a good place to go. So let's say our topic is on weather. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to log in. And I'm going to search weather. Okay, we have weather forecasting, the Weather Channel, gray weather. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, photography, black and white photography. Weather wimpiness. This is from government, President Obama. Predicting the weather, weathering the storm. Okay, I think I'm going to talk a little bit more about storms rather than actual weather. I think my paper is going to be about storms. So I'm thinking I'd like to write about tornadoes. So I'm going to search tornadoes. And here I find articles about, this is about storm chasers. This is about a college that was hit by a tornado, so there's probably damage. Here's some more damage. Here's another storm chaser article. Some cleanup at a university. Here's another one at a university. Here's one in Kentucky and one in Kansas. So what we have here is we have articles about storm chasers, we have articles about universities being hit by tornadoes, and we have articles about different geographic areas being hit by tornadoes. Those are all good ideas for a paper about weather. But I'm going to write a paper about damages throughout the country, or the Midwest, where tornadoes usually occur. So I'm going to click on this article and start there. And I see that I don't have the full article. All I have is a short, what we call an abstract here. But you can get a lot of information from an abstract without reading the entire article. So I'm going to skim this article and see if there's anything interesting that will give me any ideas or anything I could use for a fact. Well, let's see, here's something interesting. The university's wind erosion laboratory was flattened in the storm. Ooh, that might be a good example for me to use. So I'm going to copy that. I might even be able to use that if I write about the universities. And I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to open a Word document, and I'm going to paste that link, or that quotation. And then I'm going to go back, and because I am going to have to tell my instructor that this isn't my information, this wasn't my idea, this came from someone else, I'm going to have to get all the information so that I can cite it later. CITE. So I would get the date, the author, the name of the article, and any other information that you can gather from the website. And later on, we'll put it together in a citation. So that is a way that you can get information for your paper or get some ideas that you can include in your persuasive argument essay.